Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Loving Life Freely here on YouTube, and I have a really fun unboxing to do for y'all today. This one's different. So if unboxings are fun for you, you love seeing what comes, this isn't really a mystery box. I already kind of knew what was coming in it, and it's a different type of box. So if you're curious to see what we're unboxing today, stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new here, I would love to say welcome to you. One of the things we love doing on here is unboxings, as well as souls, which is something that's going to be coming out here soon. For last month, I'm going to be working on that here as well. I'm sorry, I love videotaping, but I always get this glare. Oh my goodness, that's so much better. I always get a glare from the light right above here. Anyway, our unboxing, you guys, I've been doing some more research to find some different types of boxes with a good cog, good quality, maybe even new with tags, and I think I found some. I'm super excited about this box, you guys. Now, I ordered 2 different boxes from this gal, and she combined shipping on it for me. So let's dive in here. Also, if you're new to reselling, period, welcome to the community. I've been running into quite a few people, y'all, on my Poshmark lives in the last few weeks. Brand new to reselling, brand new to Poshmark, brand new to doing lives. I've had a few people coming on my lives. They've never been on a live before, and they checked out my live, whether they bought or not. The fact that they're checking out lives has just been amazing. They're looking into Poshmark, just seeing what it's all about. And I think that's just amazing. I really do. I've also, as y'all know, if you noticed on my reseller chat this last week, I am doing Whatnot lives again. So if you're wanting kids' clothes on Whatnot, and Whatnot was your preference for my Whatnot lives, for my kids' lives, I am starting tonight again. I've got more going on next week. I might be on again tomorrow night. So we're doing Whatnot lives again, and I'm hoping eventually to include some new with tags pieces of some nicer things for women's as well. Okay, so let's dive into this box, y'all. Yes, this is what I was hoping it is. Okay, so I did some comp checking on each of these items, because she actually had a list of the brands in the listing, so I knew, and she had pictures of the pieces, so I knew exactly what I was getting. This is a Juniette. The brand is Juniette. Size 12, which is a great size, and this is the dress, and it is new with tags. Okay, so this is the tag. Whoops. It doesn't actually have like a tag on it, but this is the tag, and the retail price on this is $125. So this is the tag. And it is in excellent condition. It has a little bit of dust on it from the box, but it's in excellent condition. And I'm contemplating, you guys will have to tell me in the chat about doing these on a Whatnot live first. Doing some women's new with tags dresses on Whatnot live first. Let me know in the comments below if you would be interested in me doing a women's new with tags dresses on Whatnot. Okay, so there's that one. And I have another brand in here too, y'all. I haven't even told you what it is yet, and I will share that with you once we get to those pieces. This is a size small, Haley and Company. Again, all of these should have a tag. It's either new with tags or new without tags. And you can tell these are new because they're just crisp, and they still have the creases on them. This is super cute. Really nice heather gray with white stripes on it. Very, very pretty. Very cute. Button down detail. This is just really sweet. Guys, these would even be great Christmas gifts. Really great Christmas gifts for people. And if I like this, I may purchase from her again. Okay, this one is Vince Camuto, size 14, which is such a great size. Size 14, Vince Camuto. This is such a great workwear piece. It's a mini dress, and it has a bow on the front. It is sleeveless, so you can even wear like a jacket or a blazer with this. Now this has a belt thing on it, and there is no belt. So, since it's missing a belt, this one is obviously new without tags. I'm probably just going to cut that off and sell it as this piece here. Because otherwise, it's in really good condition. that I can see. So I'll trim those off and we'll do it that way. Okay, this one is supposed to have extra buttons. Okay, this is Cheetah. Peter Novella, size 10. I really do hope these things do well. This one is new at tags. This one has the shoulder pads. This one kind of looks like it's a little bit, it's kind of hard to tell, but it looks like it has maybe a little bit of dirt on it. I'm not sure. It just looks kind of dirty to me. Yeah, the white definitely looks dirty to me, unless that's just the way it's supposed to look. I would have expected that to be a little bit whiter. And I'm not sure if this is washable. It has the tag on it, but even with my copying what it is, yeah, I think this is, oh, see, this is dry clean. This collar is obviously dirty. You can tell it's just got some dirt factor on it. And all the white part, it just has a little bit of dirt on it. So, we'll have to look at that. Okay. This one again is Cheetah B. This is a size 6. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is super cute, guys. This is a blue denim dress. Look at the white detail on that. Very cute, full zip. Yeah, the white on this is very clean. It's much better. Really clean. This is cute. If you guys would like to see these in a whatnot auction, let me know. Okay. Okay, this is Joyce Claire. This one is also new at tags. This one retails, oh, it doesn't say the retail on it. Just has a number. Black Joyce Claire. This is a long maxi dress. New at tags. This is a great workwear piece too. Has the belt with it. So, I'm hoping these do well. Okay, what is this one? I'm trying to keep my ring from catching on it. Okay, tested, oh my gosh, this one is so pretty. This has a netting overlay over the entire thing. And it's so flowy. This is a size, did I say? It says size 44, so I'm going to have to research what 44 is. I'm going to guess this might be like a medium. And it has this really beautiful like leaf floral print on it. It has a lining underneath it, and the entire top part is this netting. Very, very pretty. Okay, and what do we have here? Okay, this is Gold Nita. This one's made in Turkey, size 40. Again, I'll have to check. This one is a very rose pink floral. Again, maxi dress. Pleated flowing maxi dress. So I hope again that these do well. I thought I'd give them a try, test it out, see what it does. Okay, Joyce Claire again. This one also has a tag. This is a size medium. This one is a black one. Very pretty. And this has a very, it's got like the crimped look to it. Very long maxi dress. That'd be a nice evening dress, right? Okay. Then this one is, I think, the same thing at Joyce Claire. Again, new with tags. This one is a tiered dress, maxi dress. It's got really pretty flowers on it. And it does have the belt, which is great. So, there's that one. Did I say the size on that one? Size extra large, so great size. So I'm cutting out the picture here. Let me move this over just a little bit. Okay, we should be getting down to the other brand as well here very soon. Okay, this one is Terry John. This is Ricky Freeman, Terry John size 4. This one is so pretty. This would be a great even summer dress, and then going into like workwear. You could wear a blazer with this. Very beautiful, back full zip. Yeah, this is just very pretty. Very pretty dresses. Some of these are my taste and some of them aren't. Everybody has different styles, right? Of course, the only time I dress up now anymore is when my husband and I go to church. And even at our church, they do wear dresses and skirts, but it's not like really fancy. Most women wear just jeans. Okay, this is Simon Donna. And this is a size small. Let me pull this up so you can see it. This is a metallic look and it's very shiny. This one, it does have a tag on it. And it says the retail is $143 for this. Asymmetrical in the front. It's got kind of a chevron look to it. If you see that, the chevron there, it's got kind of a chevron look to it. Very maxi. And it goes all the way down to the skirt, the chevron. This would even be like a fun, like homecoming or prom dress. Okay, we should be getting down to, okay, this one is Ricky Freeman again for TJ Knights. This is definitely a mini skirt. This is very pretty. Definitely a mini skirt. It's all lace. Really pretty. This would even be a really pretty New Year's dress. Or just like a holiday event dress. Look at the gorgeous lace on this. Yeah, very pretty. Okay. And then this one again is Terry John. This is a size 4. This is a great workwear piece. Great workwear piece. Very, very pretty. Office wear for sure. It's sparkly too. You can't see it in the camera very well, but it's got sparkly all over the tweed. Very beautiful. Okay. This one is Simon Donna again, size small. This is black. This is a ribbed long maxi dress. It looks like it's very comfortable. Side zip closure. It does have the tag. Retail is $135. Okay, we should be getting close here to the other pieces. Okay, yep. Oh, no. We should. Maybe she sent me the other stuff in a different box. She must have sent me 2 different boxes. Okay. Alright, this one here is Simon Donna, size small. Tags. This one is a floral one. Again, long maxi. Yeah, I must have another box coming because I thought she was going to put them all in one box. Because the other brand that I ordered isn't in here. So I'm kind of confused. Yeah, this, oh my gosh. The box that she sent this in barely survived the trip. I mean, it's taped up, but yeah, it's kind of falling apart. Okay, this is Lepkoff Designs. This is a size extra small. This is a very pretty black and white floral. Definitely a fit flare A-line midi dress. There's that. It looks like there might be 2 of those. Yep, this one's the same. What size is this one? Okay, this one is a small. So same one, but this one is a small. So again, these are even just great workwear pieces. Okay, it looks like that one zips in the front. Interesting. Okay, it'll be interesting to photograph these. Again, I'm probably gonna do an auction with these first. on Whatnot. Okay, Sparrow. Okay, see, now this is, okay, I ordered some Tory Burch. Sparrow Tory Burch. See, now this is Sparrow. I am really kind of confused as to what she did here. Okay, I don't know what she did. Okay, this is a dress. Oh, maybe this is just part of the dresses. This one's extra small. Retails at $135. I don't know what she did. I hope she's got me another box coming because I ordered more than this. Okay, this has a really nice, it's kind of a diamond look to it, but not diamond. But it's tiered, another really beautiful tiered dress. And these are all lightweight too. This is so cute and comfortable. Oh my goodness. Okay, have a couple more in here. Okay, this one again is Lebkoff Designs. This one zips in the back. This one is a size medium. Again, has tags on it. Really pretty black with beige floral. So there's that one. And then one more in this box. Okay, this is a color clay, size medium. Retail on this is $142.50. Again, Lebkoff Designs. This one is a size medium. This one is really pretty too. I love the sleeves on this. They're kind of like the bishop sleeves, but not. Really, really pretty. Very pretty. Okay, again, let me know in the comments below if you guys would be interested in me doing an auction on those. If I do those auctioned on Poshmark, I'd have to do a little bit more of a price on Poshmark just because of the Poshmark fee, quite honestly, than I would do on Whatnot, because I was thinking about starting these kind of low. So anyway, let me know if you're interested in any of these. If not, I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to auction them first, give people the opportunity to get them through auction, or just list them. Because these are nice dresses. And when I was checking comps, they were selling for nice prices. So, let me know. Again, I'm hoping my other boxes come in because I did order 2. And our conversation via messaging was that she was going to send everything together. She's going to do discounted shipping for me. So I'm hoping that my other box maybe might be here tomorrow. And that one should be all Tory Burch. I got a Tory Burch box, which I'm really excited about. So, guys, if you like seeing this type of content, please do give this a thumbs up. Do subscribe because we do have more unboxings coming. I have more things coming. I did some more sourcing through an Instagram reseller again who's actually no longer reselling. She's selling off her stock. I've already bought a couple boxes from her. Got 2 more coming from her. And some other things that I'm looking at, you guys. Just trying to kind of go out of my comfort zone a little bit with some things. And like I said, I'm doing more auctions. I am mainly listing out on eBay, so if you're interested in anything that you see ever in these boxes, check eBay first. Because whether I cross-post, eBay is always the first place that it goes. So check eBay first. It is linked down below. And guys, do subscribe, please. We have our weekly reseller chat, my unboxings. I have my solds that I do once a month for what's sold during the month. And other content about platforms and different things. So if it's a blessing to you, do subscribe. It is free of charge. Guys, we'll see you in the next one. Take care.